Our next cruise stop was Key West, Florida. It was fun, full of sun. Yeah, check it out with us. The cruise terminal was well laid out, clean and easy to navigate. Check out the beautiful views of the Carnival and NCL cruise ships. We left the cruise port and hung a left. There were tons of shops and places to check out. We headed to the museum. There were these cool lifestyle statues and tons of shops all around. If you pass the museum, you'll head to a quarters, well laid out, and lots of carriage rides. And we started walking down the street towards Duval Street. Heading down Duval Street was quite fun, with roosters randomly walking across the street. It's a very cool vibe. You can see that this is a great place to hang out and probably has a great nightlife. Heading all the way down the street is the most southern point of Florida. Be prepared for a lineup when taking photos, but still a great place to check out. The beach is also to the left, and a fun restaurant and hotel is there as well. There was so much history in Key West, Florida, with the lighthouses and Ernest Hemingway's house. It was a place where you didn't have to worry about not having stuff to do. Walking down Duval Street was like any beachside community. However, it's on a larger scale. There is tons of shops to look at, tons of art galleries, and tons of restaurants and bars to check out. There is always a fun vibe happening, and it was definitely a mix of locals and tourists just coming together and having fun.